King Faisal University is considered the first university locally and in the Middle East to adopt hologram technology in the educational and training process and provide the services of this modern technology for beneficiaries from university employees and the local community. Through this technology, the university works to find appropriate technical solutions that cover the gap in teaching the practical and field aspects of the educational process and to provide training in a creative, interactive manner in addition to enriching the educational process with interaction and innovation in providing knowledge content to beneficiaries through an advanced control room to manage broadcast and reception locally. Internationally, there are fixed and mobile photography studies to record and broadcast providers of educational or training material in three-dimensional hologram form. In addition to exhibition halls used to display the educational or training product in its final form.
Assalamu alaikum. Sabah khair. Thank you very much for this invitation to speak to you about a very important topic, which is soft skills, an essential ingredient for the students of today. My name is Mansour Hanif. I work for NEOM. I have been in NEOM for 4 years. I'm based in NEOM. I'm not in NEOM today. I'm going to tell you where I am today in a minute. So you might ask, first of all, why am I here in this place today, which is a city called Valencia in Spain, in Europe. Valencia, it's a wonderful place. It's a wonderful city. It's actually the green capital of Europe in 2024. We are also sitting here today in the Institute of Technology and Multimedia Applications, which is part of the university, the Polytechnical University of Valencia. And it's a very advanced institute, and here we are in their hologram lab. And this is where I'm going to be speaking to you today, although I'm actually with you today in King Faisal University, and I'm with you today from the University of Valencia. And I want to thank the team here for hosting us today. I want to thank also Dr. Fawaz for setting it up on your side. And as far as I know, this is the first time there's ever been a live lecture between the Middle East, from a university in the Middle East and in Europe as a hologram. So I think you should all be very proud of your teams, both in King Faisal University and here in Valencia. And I hope from today, you know, we can take learnings, we can keep improving, we can do volumetrics, different types of avatars, etc., etc. In Valencia, I started 25 years ago when I came to live here. I was building the mobile network here 25 years ago, and many people from this university joined my team. And so I've coached many generations of engineers from this university when I was working here, when I was working in the UK, when I was working for the regulator, and I've had the opportunity to learn myself about what kind of skills an engineer should have. And each decade it changes. And that's why it's such a big topic for me. So I'm very happy to share my thoughts today about what's happening today.
I want to express my heartfelt appreciation for this incredible hologram workshop on soft skills presented by the Executive Director, Mansour Hanif. It was an engaging and fun workshop, and the use of hologram technology created a captivating experience that surpassed all expectations.
It's important when you talk about vision to differentiate the visual field and the image which is represented on the retina. where the image is inverted upside down and flipped right to left. The visual pathway is the route where retinal stimuli are transmitted to the brain. It's composed of the right and left optic nerves, the optic chiasma, where both nerves converge, and optic radiation with optic tract. It is necessary to understand the visual field and the visual pathway in order to appreciate how focal lesions could affect the visual field. For example, if we have a lesion at the right optic nerve, this will lead to a complete loss of the ipsilateral visual field. While if we have a lesion at the optic chiasma, where both nerves converge, this will lead to a loss of the temporal side of both visual fields, and this is what we call bitemporal hemianopia. On the other hand, if we have a lesion at the right optic tract, this will lead to a loss of the contralateral side of both visual fields, and this is what we call left homonymous hemianopia.
The electric motor was invented by the English physicist Michael Faraday in 1821. Faraday discovered the ability of electric current to generate a magnetic field around an electromagnet. In 1888, Serbian engineer Nikola Tesla invented the most advanced alternating current electric motor used in electrical or mechanical devices. The electric motor converts electrical energy into movement that allows the operation of electrical and mechanical machines and equipment. The electric motor is considered an essential part of countless electrical equipment and devices of varying sizes and functions. An electric motor consists of a fixed magnetic piece called a stator or starter, which connected to a moving joint called a rotor or router. Once the electric current passes through the conductor through an electrical connection, a magnetic field is created in the rotor known as the conductor or contact. The presence of a magnetic field in both the stator and the rotor creates a state of repulsion or attraction between the magnetic fields, causing rapid circular motion and generating kinetic energy. This kinetic energy drives machines or equipment connected to them with electrical connections that allow electrical current to pass to and from the engine.